This is Ryan with GameRoomSolutions.com, and real quick I just want to show off this little custom Stargate weecade for any fans of that. So I can add coins and one player. So this has the up and down, and then you can reverse, and then of course let me zoom in on the hyperspace. Oh, I died. Smart bomb, thrust, fire, and then again you can reverse here. This is also set up for a 4-way, so if you didn't want to use the thrust and the reverse, you can just do it that way. So I'll exit out of that. Real quick, these are all 40-in-1 games here. Made for just a up, down, left, right. So for instance, you can't go up and to the right at the same time. So all these games will play true. Can back out as well. And I also put Daphne on it too, because those are all 4-way games as well. And that's it. Make sure and like the video. I think this one turned out really nice. Again, it's definitely custom. We have this one now. We have the drawing for it. So if anybody wants it, we can do that for you. Thanks. Bye.